Right, look at this. I never do an unboxing video, right? But I've bought, I've had this is the last part that I need for the PC that I'm building. And I've bought most of my parts from NZXT. And I have to say, the packaging is unbelievable. I got the NZXT chassis, motherboards, cooling, and this is the power supply. But just look at this for packaging. Look at that. So you've got all the cables, have their own little NZXT bag. Everything you need there, all modular. And then the PSU. Look at that quality packaging. Modular design, it's upside down. Awesome. That's a nice bit of kit. NZXT C850. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Now for the build. There you go.